Yes, that only took me 5 takes, and I made the bed after each one. Hey, good practice. That exciting introduction leads into something else that's really exciting. We released our 3-bedroom Van Gogh show home here in the beautiful community of Chappelle Gardens for sale. Now this home includes everything that you see attached to the walls and the window coverings, as well as those extra show home items like the railing package and the fireplace. Gonna roll the video. If you guys think that you might be interested, please reach out to me and enjoy.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive